Dear students, okay, today I'll discuss with you some of the demanding courses and their scopes in the upcoming field, and also some of the Udemy free courses which I got, which I'll share with you. Let's see some of the demanding marketing courses right now, which is in market. This we can highlight it later also. I'll just give you a gist idea of each of this right now. Okay. I'll follow with the content writer. Now, have you ever realized in the website we used to read something about a website or any topic in a website? Now, each of the website, whatever the contents, it is there written. It is written by a content writer, and every web-based company or any educational company, any marketing company, any e-commerce company, or any agencies like or any websites like sports, medicine, education, they all need a content writer to write some content for them. So whoever writes the content for a website is basically a content writer. This is the most demanding job, and there is a big shortage of content writers, especially good content writers in the industry or in the market. So if you have a good command over English, if you are English honor students and you are a good proofreader, okay, then and you can write essays, you can write stories, and you can write any content. That means you can become a good content writer. Now, to be a good content writer, apart from English, and what you need is actually mm, the subject knowledge. Okay, that means the domain knowledge, okay, of that field. Say for example, I'm a good physicist, okay, but when it comes to writing, I cannot write. But there are people who are not good physicists, but in terms of writing they can write it very neatly and cleanly to explain their things. So that is what is about writing up content about any subject, and those are done by content writers in any website or a web-based company. Now the second one is digital marketing. Now, to be a content writer, you don't have to be a person from computer science. To be a digital marketing person, you may be a little bit from computer science, but it is not necessary. Now, digital market is booming. We all know. We buy things from Flipkart. Is it? Yes or no? We all happen to buy things from Flipkart, Amazon. Now, these companies are doing their marketing digitally, and we are their customers. At the end, we write reviews. Our reviews and ratings are being read by other customers, and these things are totally happening in the web. Okay, so they are doing the marketing digitally, and this is one of the very much booming sectors. Okay, because most of the things, even like your education, nowadays it has started coming through the web. So this is also a digital education. So everything in the market which is now coming through the internet becomes a digital market. Now third is obviously a web developer. That is a development of a website. The web developer job will be always be there for. Okay. Now the forthcoming thing is like very common is data science or data analyst. Students from computer science, math and statistics usually go, but students who doesn't have any background of computer science or math or statistics can also become, okay, a data scientist, or they can go for data science, provided they have learned a language called as Python. Now Python is not a very tough language to learn. If you have done in class 12 course also, now Python is there. Now if you have done Q basic in your class 10 back in school, or you know any programming language, you can follow Python very easily. Once you follow Python, there are a lot of tools which you can apply to become a data scientist or data analyst. But if you are from computer science or maths or statistics, you will have a little bit of advantage. Okay, so mathematics and statistics students, if they know Python, then I think data science can really boom you. Okay, it will be a good career for you. Now we can discuss these topics in detail also. You can text me, okay, and we can do one topic in one day or elaborately after your exams. Okay. Now other thing is cloud computing, that is Google Cloud. There are very less people working in Google Google Cloud or AWS Cloud, that is Amazon Cloud, or your Azure Cloud, which is your Microsoft Cloud. There are very less people who knows cloud computing right now. This is what we have been hearing now in the industry. Another thing very common is Android app development. So whatever app you run or use in your app through Play Store, all those apps are developed. That is what we call as an Android app developer. Okay. Now we can discuss this topic in detail later. So just to show you now, with related to this, I have some of the Udemy courses where coupons are given freely to the students. Okay, so we can check those courses given there. Now to check those courses, what you can do is you go to this website. I'll give you the link in the description, sites.google.com/view/Synod college. Okay, once you click on this one, you will see this courses and internship below. Below today's 13th July, you click there. You will see this AWS service for solution architect and associate, that is your cloud computing. Okay, now I have shown you yesterday also about how to get this coupon done, so I'll just show you again today. Udemy. Okay, www.udemy.com. Now first of all, you have to create a sign up. Now to create a sign up, you have to give your full name, email and password and verify it through your link. Now once you have given this thing, you can log in. So I'll just log in because I have already created my account there. So okay, so I have logged in through Udemy. Now these are the courses, that is AWS service for solution architect associate. Okay, this is for anyone who want to go for cloud computing on Amazon Web Services. Next is this mastering Visual Studio Code. Now if especially for computer science students or any other students who want to learn programming language, this Visual Studio Code is a must, because all the programs are being nowadays written in this Visual Studio Code editor, very famous one. Okay, then other courses given for free with this coupon code is HTML from basics to advanced. If you want to become a front-end developer or web developer, these three things can take you. You know HTML, you know CSS and you know JavaScript, you can become a web developer. If students want to go for an Android app development, this is a very good course, you can go for this one. Okay, now students want to do this Google marketing and search engine optimizer, then they can go for SEO. Okay, SEO, I'll just give you one example here. On Google, okay, so this is Google. I just type here something like buy computer. Now Google is a search engine and I have typed something there. Now all the companies will optimize their searches and try to find that I want to be on the top list whenever I do a Google search. So companies hire people, that is search engine optimizers, that whenever user types these topics, I want to be at the top. Now we can see here who is on the top. Selling computers, easy2.com. Who is the next second? Amazon. Third is CanSecure. Then Ashley. Then Zapenta. Then Amazon. Flipkart. Okay. Now these are the websites who have done a search optimization for this keyword, buy computer. Okay. So search engine optimizer or SEO analyst has a work where he can do an optimization of any search done on Google. So now the search engine optimizer is basically thing of what we call a part of digital marketing only, because when you are doing marketing, anybody comes to the customer, you will be the first one to grab them through the web. Anybody who wants to learn a complete WordPress website developer course, you can be this. Now to become a WordPress website developer, you don't have to know coding on all. That's pretty simple, not much stuff. Okay, now I'll just show this sample here how to log in. So I'll copy here. Okay, just type here, go to udemy.com and give it the search box, paste it here. Now this course has come in. Okay, complete WordPress website developer. So I have searched for that one. Click here, enter. Now below there is a coupon code I have given this one. With every course below there is a coupon code. Copy this, apply coupon. You're supposed to buy at 490, but you apply this coupon, you will get it for free. So this code is applied. After it is applied, you have to click on this enroll now. Okay. Once you enroll now, select yours. My one is highlighting as Manipur. You select something like, okay, selected Meghalaya. Then click here, enroll now. Start the course. So they'll teach you now what is setting up a WordPress creation, content creation in WordPress, playing with WordPress settings, managing users. Okay, so WordPress is not very tough to learn web development. Okay, so anyone after your exam you can try this one. So somebody is interested in car repairing and auto repairing, the code is given there. The financial accounts, 2 of the courses I have given. Now quantum computing for students from physics or maths, there is a quantum computing system given in Qiskit, which is an IBM quantum computing kit. So you can use this module and try this. Learn this one after exams is over in the free time about quantum computing and IBM Qiskit, which is this code. Now photography, somebody wants to do master class of photography, you can be them with this code, you can use it. Okay, now these are the courses I have given. Now it is not necessary that you log in today and do this. What you do is, before this code gets expired, put it in your bag. See, if I go to this my course, okay, my learning, you can click on this one. You can check here. I have say when I logged in, this is my name. So my learning, if I click, I can see so many courses are there. Those dummy courses I have. Now I may not, this one I just did it. Is it complete WordPress website developer course? Now I'll not do this course now. So I may do it after some time. Okay, but before the coupon gets expired, I'll just have to enroll it myself to this course. Okay, so sorry, you can enroll this one. So if you want to highlight any one of these topics after the exam, I can give you some guidance on these topics and some more also upcoming. Okay, then apart from that, if any students wants that's we need a course on something like economics, education, physics or mathematics, if I'll get or something like physiotherapy, okay, mm, and many other courses, okay, and chemistry, geology, botany or anything. So I'm interested in this one, any related to this, like I'll try to search and I'll give you. Okay, so we can discuss, you can inbox me here. And to get this code faster and to apply it as fast as you can, what you can do is you subscribe that channel, immediately you'll get it. Just search the course, take this code, paste it and get enrolled and study later. Okay, so these are the things I got today. So in future if I get anything, and do comment below what are the courses you are interested in, and this also will do it after your exams. Okay, that's it for students today now. So thank you.